Ekitongore National Drugs Authority heriza abakore kikwekweto mu district ya Kasese bwanyuma yo kweza kutunga amakuru ngo hariho abashaho abatandikire kuguza emibazi omu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe omu ihanga lya Congo.
So these health workers who are paid by government to take care of these, because one of the ladies who is on run happens to be a storekeeper at one of the health centers, who are supposed to keep these drugs, are not, they are denying an opportunity to Ugandans to access them, but also giving them to the rebels to come and kill our own people.
Okurugirira aha mugambirizi w'ekitongore eki nagira ngo amakuru hagubatungire gabire nigoreka ngo abashaho omu district ya Kasese nibaguza emibazi eya government na munonga eya ARVs aha abantu abatari bo.
National Drug Authority got information that there were people who were involved in illegal possession and sale of government of Uganda drugs, mainly ARVs. These are HIV, AIDS, antiviral drugs, which are procured, supplied, and given to government hospitals to be dispensed out for free of charge for those patients who are undergoing HIV treatment.
Ogunayongera hagira ngo bwanyuma kutaha omushonga bakwata abantu babiri o municipality ya Kasese.
We swung into action and we are able to arrest two suspects. One of them, Itungo Justin, who happens to be a health worker at St. Paul's Hospital here in town, and another one, Paul, who also calls himself Makanika.
Ogunayongera shaborora hari kugira ngo fayiro z'abantu aba zatwarwa ahari Kibule police station oguba kwenda ngo babase kukwata abantu aba batebe yongere kubatwara na no mukoti.
The two suspects, we are taking them to Kampala with us. Their files have been sent to Kibuli because we want them to face justice. Two issues. Where do these drugs end from? Apart from stealing from the source. You know, Kasese has issues of rebels.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Gerard Muhindo ahabwa Sky TV omuri Kasese.
Gerard Muhindo abamakuru ago